Installing Google Play games in your PC, it's very easy, dude. I would like to tell you how to play Google Play games on Windows PC. In this tutorial. I would like to play Mobile Legend to finish quest for Get Free Diamond. In this section, we are just waiting for engine download some resource. You must on better internet connection signal to get faster download speed. I told you before, okay, if you are ready. Let's go to step-by-step install this Google Play games. Enjoy it! Here, if you want to change full screen to window mode, just click Shift button and Tab button on your pretty cool keyboard. Okay, finish. Bye-bye.